Hi, it's Ben from Blue Marlin Marketing again. And today I'm going to be bringing you guys a quicker video just covering a couple new AI tools that we've been using, and also a couple like tools that like you can use to help your business or help your clients or um, work with your clients. It doesn't necessarily have to be for that. I'm going to show you guys just a couple different things today. So I have Google Illuminate and Google Labs here. Illuminate is going to be just a feature within Labs. So I'm going to go through it and just show you guys all of the different like things that you can do within Labs and a couple of the cooler features that I've noticed. And kind of like how you can use those and like what we've used them for. So the first thing you'll do is just search Google Labs. It'll come up be a page like this. Um, so some of the tools on here are not like out yet. Like you can join the wait list, that kind of thing. Um, Let me move this over. So here's some of the tools you can try now. Like they have like a language model, like a learn thing, music, images, um, create food, some games, that kind of stuff. But we're gonna be using. There's two features in here. You can just find them by like scrolling through the music one and the image I'll show you guys, and there's another one called Illuminate, which is in here too. But if not, you can just type in Google Illuminate and it will come up with something like this. So this is the first one we'll do, and I'll just show you guys. I'll hit start generating. So what this does is allow you to use like turn research papers or like real documents online into basically a short like AI conversation. So give me 1 second. Let's come up with an idea. How about I say benefits of automation in BUSI in business. So what you do is go in there, and obviously if you have like a paper that you already want to use, you can enter the paper in there. But what you do is come up with a topic, and let's see. You can select a couple of these papers or one or two. Go ahead and hit add. And then what you do is create a conversation, and you can change all the text in there. You can like refresh it, like that kind of thing. Or you can obviously type. I'm just going to leave this one because it sounds good. We'll go ahead and hit generate. So here's some of the other ones I've done. We'll go ahead and let that cook on that for a minute, and then let me come over here. So once you've opened like either image or one of those, you can get back, you'll get into a page like this. So the music and the image actually work. The video, you'll have to join a wait list. So for now, let me go back over to images, and I'll just show you guys how good it can be. So I just did I'm feeling lucky. If you click that, just a thing to note is that it's going to make it like completely random and start generating right away. If we go ahead and start over, so here's the image, and they're actually pretty good, and you can edit them individually or download. But the actual really cool feature is if we switch this over to portrait, and then we say like, how about marketing, related images, colorful, and include tech elements and include tech elements. We'll just do that. So you can kind of see what kind of things will come up. And when you put it in this portrait mode, that means you can actually go ahead, and how we've used this is like for either shorts that we've created or like AI shorts, you can give it some images to use. For just like graphic type posts, that kind of thing, or even images on your website, or like if you're generating images for a client or like logos, anything like that really. There's a bunch of different modes you can do, and you can do up to all of these, you can use all these tools completely free. That's an important thing. Illuminate, you can use 20, I think, a day you can do it. These all have a limit as well. I haven't got to it, and I've definitely done 20 in a day. I'm not sure what that is, but you can use all these for free. And you can download them all also. So even if like you're getting images and you're like, hey, I don't really like all these, but maybe I want them down the line or something like that, you can just download them and there's no um, copyright or anything. You're just good to go and take them. So that's just like a cool feature to know. And you can really describe anything and it's pretty good. And if you use some of these, like let's put sketchy. What if I hit create? Let's see what comes up. So, so it's more like sketchy, kind of like that kind of thing. But those are all things you can change. But yeah, just cool features. So now if we go back over to this, you can see this one, it actually did a 7-minute long conversation. I won't play it all for you, but the cool thing is, we'll see if my speaker will go on. The cool thing is you can have like...
Today we're tackling 2 fascinating papers exploring different facets of
artificial intelligence. And you can kind of hear how good that is.
The first delves into automated performance optimization of business process model.
I'll let it go for a second.
BPMN business processes, while the second examines the potential pitfalls of pursuing human-like AI, a concept it terms the Turing trap. Let's start with the BPMN optimization paper. What's the core problem it addresses?
The core issue is the current manual and often...
So that's kind of like the gist of it. You can see where it goes. And it actually gives you this script. So if you wanted to like use your text to audio in ChatGPT or some other tools that you use, I believe we have a couple videos covering some stuff like that too. So feel free to check those out. But you could actually use this like transcript to actually help you write your own audio. Or also what we've done is, since this is like completely downloadable, you can actually download this whole thing and use some of those like images you just generated, or like an AI image generator, or like ChatGPT or in Canva or something like that, and you could actually make shorts for that length of audio, or make a video for that length of audio. Obviously 7 minutes is a long one, but like you can see we've gotten some that are 5. You can prompt it to be shorter or longer. There's also just a share directly that you can do as well, or like save them. One thing to note is they expire after 30 days, so make sure you've saved, downloaded, shared, whatever you want to do with them before the end of that. And this works for any topic at all. Like anything you could come up with, you can test it for. So no matter what kind of business you are, or what kind of business you're working with, it's just a way to get like really valuable, like actual insightful audio about a topic. And you can almost make like a faceless YouTube channel and have like an image or something like that and use this audio. So let me know if you want anything like more videos about how to like take this and go down the line and actually turn it into content, or like what kinds of stuff you can do with it. But yeah, so that's kind of the cool parts of this tool. We'll go back over to this image one now, and we can go to Music FX. And music, obviously you can type whatever you want, but I'm feeling lucky. Sorry, not the most creative person in the world when it comes to writing a song or giving a prompt for a song. It'll take a few seconds here. Most of these are like 30 seconds, like a minute. This one takes a little longer depending on the length of the conversation. Yeah, but there you go. And it generates like 2 different ones every time, like whatever prompt you give it. And these are, you can just go ahead and download them. You can change settings in them, the type of music. And with that music audio, you can actually go ahead and like use that with your shorts, or use that with like a reel or an image, or even in your YouTube video or something along those lines. But yeah, so these 3 tools are like the coolest things I've found using Google Labs. Lots of different interesting things you can do with them. Please feel free to leave any questions for me below or on any of our socials. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. That really, really helps us out. Yeah, and I hope everybody has a great rest of their day, and thanks for staying till the end.